Yeah, sorry I keep leaving. I keep having to use the bathroom.
You have been drinking a lot of alcohol, haven't you?
Alcohol is a diuretic, first of all, and you need to calm down.
So what makes alcohol a diuretic? Here's a better question. What are diuretics?
Diuretics is a substance that produces more water and salt in the body, and that exits out the body as urine. So basically, it makes someone pee a lot, which is gross.
That's not a better question. Pay attention in class. The real question is, how does it affect the body?
It helps get rid of salt and water from the body, and the sodium takes water from the blood in the kidney, and it lowers the blood flow.
Alright, cool. So it's all sciencey and molecular.
It actually is. Do you want me to explain it?
Please, no.
So does it go through some sort of transport?
Yeah, it goes through a similar type of passive transport called osmosis, but this specific one is called osmotic diuretics.
Can you explain it? Dear God, man, please, no.
Everyone knows that I'm going to explain it anyway, so shush. But anyway, this process actually begins in the nephrons of the kidneys.
Isn't nephrons like a part of the kidney that makes up more urine while also getting rid of waste from blood?
Yes, thank you. Someone paid attention in medical school. Jesus Christ! But anyway, the process actually starts in places that are water permeable, which are places that like water can just easily just flow in and out of it. Now, because of this also expands the fluid outside of the membrane, and then that increases the blood flow of it to the kidney. And now because of that, something called the loop of Henle.
Loop of Henle? Isn't that the thing where water is absorbed in the kidney?
Yes, it is, and the loop of Henle and something called the corticomedullary stop its own process for this to happen.
Corticomedullary is just the joining of the renal medulla and cortex, right?
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
So how do cells and particles respond to this type of thing?
When the alcohol particles in the cell are tightly pressed together from all the drinking, it needs a way to get out somehow, so they'll travel with the concentration gradient within the kidney, which goes through the cell membrane, making them go in and out. They repeat this process outside the membrane in order to reach some kind of equilibrium, and, it kind of just repeats.
So like high to low concentration? That was agony. And no, it doesn't make sense. Pay more attention in class and then you'll know a little bit more. Okay, so what if it does? Alcohol makes me happy. But for real though, why do I need to know this?
This kind of process is kind of used for people with high blood pressure, and so this kind of like lowers the blood pressure. So basically, the lower the blood flow, the lower the pressure it will be, and this actually kind of helps with people. This is kind of like another treatment for people who have heart disease, liver disease, or some kind of kidney disorder.
That's great. Too bad I don't have it. Let me go use the bathroom again.
Let me go help her. She might puke.
I tried to help.
No, it's okay.